Here's a video about how to make plastics look new. Quite a few people have asked me over the years how to get the plastics to look so good. Well, basically it's unbelievably simple, but it works brilliantly. That's what I do. Well, here we have the rear tailpiece for the Yamaha that I'm working on. As you can see, it has had, at some point in its life, a GB sticker or something of that nature stuck on it. So you can see how the plastic there is in better condition than the plastic there. This has been in the sun. That's obviously been held back from the sun because of the sticker. So what I'm going to try and do now is show you how I can make the whole thing look new. Stage one. Get yourself some oil, motor oil, just ordinary oil. Put it on the rack. Rub it so that there's quite a bit of oil on the surface. Now you have to put quite a bit of oil on, because what you're doing is you're hoping that the oil is going to soak into the plastic, because the only reason the plastic is faded is because the oil that was in it has evaporated away. So what we're going to do now, we're going to allow the oil to soak into all of the plastic, and we'll probably let it soak for a day. Put plenty of oil on, don't be frightened. Put loads on, because you want it to be sucked up by the plastic, because the plastic's thirsty. Plastic's absolutely gasping for a drink of motor oil, because plastic is, as you all know, made from oil. That's what it is. So it's lost part of its original makeup. So now, as you can see, it's now fully covered in oil. So we'll leave it to soak that in, and then we'll come back tomorrow and have a look. Here we are then, the next day. This is really truly soaked in. Now just rub off the oil. And although you still can see where the GB sticker was, you can see it. Look at the rest. Look at how the rest looks completely normal. There's none of that whiteness that the sun gives it when it takes all the oils out of the thing. Yes, you can see that GB sticker mark. Mildly irritating, to say the least, because you know, I didn't think, to be honest, that it would get it fully off. But certainly a lot better looking than what it was yesterday. Then what I could do now is maybe even do another trial to try and get rid of that GB sticker type arrangement I don't think I will, because that is quite marked, the difference. But look at that. That's how you make plastics look nice. He's in it. EngineOil.com